What's up, guys? I haven't uploaded recently, but I'm trying to get back into it, and I'm gonna start by talking about an annoying problem that I had that ended up leaving me stranded and could end up doing the same thing to you if you have an F30 or even E90 BMW. I was 20 miles away from my house at a friend's house, and it was midnight. I was ready to go home. Turned the car on, started driving. Right before I could leave his driveway, I noticed some vapor rising from the hood. Immediately just killed the engine. Took a look under the hood, couldn't really tell what was wrong, so ended up parking the car, waiting until the morning, and then checking it out again. So I go to check the car out in the morning, and there's a big puddle of coolant under the car, so I pop the hood open, and there it is. It's the coolant expansion tank hose. One of the ends just snapped. The hose itself isn't really that bad quality, but the ends are. They are very brittle. I didn't want to pay to have my car towed 20 miles home, so I just had my friend help me fix it by cutting up the ends of a hose and using some clamps and just attaching it that way. And of course, while we were fixing one end, we pulled the hose a little bit and the other end just snapped. That's how cheap it is. So we did end up having to fix both ends. I didn't have any coolant with me, so I just ended up topping the car off with some water from a garden hose. This was enough to get me home, but it's really not good for the car. You're supposed to use distilled water and blue coolant, so I am going to do a coolant flush now. But anyway, thank you for watching. This was just a quick little warning for you F30 and E90 owners. I would recommend replacing this hose before it leaves you stranded, and also learn how to do these crappy repairs that I had to do with the hose and stuff, just in case, so you don't get stranded somewhere.